In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted data from Google Sheets. Whether you've accidentally deleted an important piece of information or just want to restore to an earlier version, this guide is perfect for you. We'll go through the entire process step by step, ensuring you're able to confidently restore your data in just a few minutes. To get started, you'll need to open the Google Sheet where the data was lost. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to make changes to the document. Once you're inside the Google Sheet, direct your attention to the menu at the top of the page. Here, you'll want to click on the File option. This is your gateway to accessing various features, including the all-important version history. After clicking File, a drop-down menu will appear. From this list, look for the Version History tab. Click on it to expand your options. At this point, you'll see another menu item labeled See Version History. Selecting this will open up a panel to the right side of your screen, displaying a timeline of all saved versions of your document. Now, this timeline is an incredibly useful feature for tracking changes over time. It allows you to pinpoint when your data was last intact, before it was altered or deleted. Scroll through the list of versions to find the exact version you wish to restore. Each version may be labeled with a date and timestamp, making it easier for you to identify the right one. Once you've found the desired version, take a look at the options available. Click on the More Options button beside the version you're considering. This will give you additional actions you can perform on that particular version. From these options, you'll want to select Restore this version. Click on it, and you're almost there. A confirmation dialog box will appear, asking if you're sure about restoring this version. Take a moment to double-check you've got the right one, then click Restore to confirm your choice. Just like that, this document will revert back to the selected version. It's as simple as that. And there you have it. You've successfully recovered your deleted data in Google Sheets. By using the version history feature, you not only save time, but also ensure the accuracy and continuity of your documents. Remember, this method is extremely useful for maintaining document integrity, especially in collaborative projects with multiple users making edits. Thank you for watching, and happy sheet editing. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.